Transformative Power of Nature, Ecotherapy, Nature-Based Healing Practices. Welcome to Transformative Power of Nature, Ecotherapy, and Nature-Based Healing Practices. In this video, we'll embark on a journey into the healing embrace of nature, exploring the profound impact of ecotherapy and nature-based practices on our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. Nature has an innate ability to heal and rejuvenate us on a deep level. Ecotherapy, also known as nature therapy or green therapy, harnesses the healing power of the natural world to promote psychological resilience, reduce stress, and enhance overall wellness. Whether it's forest bathing, gardening, or simply spending time outdoors, connecting with nature allows us to disconnect from the stressors of daily life and reconnect with our inner selves. Research has shown that spending time in nature can lower cortisol levels, reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, and improve mood and cognitive function. The sights, sounds, and smells of nature activate our parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and a sense of well-being. Ecotherapy practices encompass a wide range of activities, from guided nature walks and wilderness therapy to adventure-based interventions and animal-assisted therapy. These immersive experiences foster a deep sense of connection with the natural world and with ourselves. In addition to its therapeutic benefits, engaging with nature fosters a sense of environmental stewardship and encourages us to protect and preserve our natural resources for future generations. By cultivating mindfulness and gratitude in our interactions with nature, we can experience profound transformations in our mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. As we've seen in this video, nature has a remarkable ability to heal, inspire, and empower us. By embracing ecotherapy and incorporating nature-based practices into our lives, we can tap into the transformative power of the natural world and nurture our holistic well-being. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the transformative power of nature. May you find solace, healing, and renewal in the embrace of the natural world.